guys, Miss Charlie here with a tutorial. I wanted to do a tutorial using this eyeshadow palette that was gifted to me from Miss Gigi Loves here on YouTube and on Instagram. First time she sent me this, somebody stole it out of the packaging from the postman. I posted that on Instagram, which I thought was just garbage. Why would the mailman give me a package as he can see that there was nothing in it? It was open, but he still gave it to me. Anyway, she ordered another one and sent it to me. I appreciate her so much. I love Nomad Cosmetics, and this is the Nomad Chicago Speakeasy, and this is the box it comes in. Beautiful. Back in the 40s, 30s. Beautiful packaging. On the inside, it has the same concept. Those are the colors. And this is what the palette looks like. It's velveteen, which is gonna get dirty, but I always keep my eyeshadows in their box so they stay nice and clean. But it's velveteen, absolutely gorgeous. That's what the back looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. So pretty. Sorry, glare on that a little bit. There we go. You can see it a little bit better. These are all mattes, and these are all duochromes or multi-chromes. And this row here was calling me, this color right here was calling my name. So that's the color that I used in this look. I also used this color as well. But I will be showing you swatches of them all so you can see how they look. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I have quite a few Nomad palettes, but I really like this because it has a little bit of muted purples, and then you have your neutrals over here. So it's kind of neutral, but then you have your multi-chrome, duochromes in the middle, which I like. I like this a lot. Thank you so much, Gigi, for providing me with this. I did ask her if she wanted to do a collab look, but she's very busy. She had a baby this summer. She's got family, you know, things like that. She's got things going on. So you might see us do a look together on Instagram. I also asked Andy from Andy Does Stuff if she wanted to do one as well, because she also has this palette. And again, busy. It's a busy time of year. But you may see us do a collab, doing a post on Instagram later on. But I wanted to go ahead and use this palette because I think it's the only palette in my collection that I have not used. So I'm going to go ahead and use it because it is calling my name, especially this color. So I'm just doing a very simple look, using it and showing you swatches. But I thank you all for being here and watching. Appreciate you all. Happy New Year. If you have this palette, let me know. Let me know your thoughts. If you like Nomad, let me know as well. I do have a couple of videos, I think, using Nomad on my channel. If I do, I will link them below. If you want me to do more looks with this, let me know that as well. Again, appreciate you all. Thank you all for being here, taking the time. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe here on YouTube and on Instagram. And we'll get into the tutorial and the swatches.